Somewhere in the background, a massive technological revolution is being planned. What's happening with Shiba Inu? Let's break it down. Today we dissect the groundbreaking fully homomorphic encryption upgrade coming to Shibarium. This is a privacy revolution that could change the game by 2026. Stay tuned. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has been on a relentless journey to shed its meme coin label and establish itself as a serious technology project. This mission is centered on Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling solution designed to provide a fast, low-cost environment for decentralized applications. While Shibarium has successfully addressed speed and cost, the next frontier for any serious blockchain is privacy. In the world of finance and enterprise, the ability to process data on-chain without revealing the underlying information is paramount. This is the context for today's monumental news: the planned integration of fully homomorphic encryption, FFHE. FFHE is not just a minor update. It is a fundamental shift in blockchain architecture. It allows for computations to be performed on encrypted data without ever decrypting it, ensuring that transaction details, smart contract logic, and user data remain completely confidential. This technology is considered the holy grail of blockchain privacy. By committing to this upgrade, Shiba Inu is positioning Shibarium at the forefront of the privacy-enabled Web3 space, a move that could unlock massive enterprise and institutional adoption that has historically been blocked by concerns over data confidentiality. The announcement signals a clear, long-term strategic vision that extends far beyond the current market volatility. The main news is the confirmation of a major privacy upgrade for Shibarium, scheduled for Q2 2026. Shibarium will adopt Zama's fully homomorphic encryption (FHE) technology. This advanced cryptography will enable full on-chain privacy and the creation of confidential smart contracts on the network. The integration is a multi-phase process. Zama, the cryptography firm behind the technology, aims to extend support to ABM-compatible blockchains, including Shibarium, during the first half of 2026. This move is a direct response to the growing demand for confidential transactions in the decentralized finance, DeFi, and enterprise sectors. The FHE upgrade will allow developers to build applications where sensitive information, such as trade secrets, financial data, or personal identity, can be processed on the public blockchain without being exposed to the public. This strategic shift toward privacy-enhanced infrastructure represents a bold repositioning of Shiba Inu in the crypto space, moving it from a speculative asset to a foundational layer for confidential computing. Despite the fundamentally transformative nature of the FHE announcement, the market reaction has been muted, reflecting the current state of extreme fear in the broader crypto market. Shiba Inu is currently trading around 891 units, showing a modest 4% gain over the last 48 hours, which is more attributable to a technical bounce than the long-term FHE news. The overall market cap is holding at $5 billion. The 24-hour trading volume remains subdued at $120 million, suggesting that institutional capital has not yet fully priced in the significance of this 26 upgrade. The muted reaction is typical for long-term, fundamental news. Traders are focused on immediate technical patterns, such as the recent falling wedge breakout and short-term volatility. However, analysts note that the FHE announcement provides a strong, long-term fundamental floor for the price. The news acts as a powerful counter-narrative to the prevailing extreme fear sentiment, which currently sits at 22 on the Fear and Greed Index. While the market is fearful and focused on the short term, the developers are building a foundation for a multi-year uptrend. The implication is that the current price is a significant discount on the future utility that the FHE upgrade promises to unlock. The on-chain and technical evidence, while not directly related to the FHE upgrade's immediate effect, provides the context for its necessity. The Shibarium network's success is measured by its transaction volume, which directly impacts the burn rate. While the network has seen massive spikes in activity, the lack of privacy has been a silent barrier to enterprise adoption. The SHE upgrade is the technical solution to this problem. Technically, the price is currently holding above a crucial support zone, which is a necessary condition for any long-term fundamental news to take effect. The SHE announcement provides a powerful long-term catalyst that can eventually override short-term technical weakness. The ability to process confidential smart contracts will unlock entirely new use cases for Shibarium, leading to a sustained increase in transaction volume. This future increase in utility will, in turn, lead to a massive sustained increase in the burn rate, creating a powerful deflationary loop. The SHE upgrade is the technical key that unlocks the full potential of the Shibarium tokenomics, transforming it from a simple Layer 2 solution into a privacy-focused, enterprise-ready blockchain. Analysts note that the SHE upgrade is the most significant strategic move by the Shiba Inu team since the launch of Shibarium. The implication is that Shiba Inu is no longer competing with other meme coins. It is now directly challenging major privacy-focused, Layer 1 and Layer 2 solutions. The ability to offer confidential smart contracts is a game changer for the DeFi and enterprise sectors. The analysis suggests that this upgrade will open the door to use cases that were previously impossible on Shibarium, such as confidential voting, private payroll processing, and enterprise supply chain management, where data must be verified but not revealed. The long-term implication is a massive influx of institutional capital and enterprise adoption. Companies are hesitant to use public blockchains for sensitive operations, but SHE removes this barrier. By 2026, Shibarium could be positioned as the leading privacy-enabled Layer 2 solution, which would fundamentally redefine the token's value proposition and its market cap. This is a clear signal that the developers are focused on building a sustainable, long-term ecosystem with real-world utility. The community reaction is one of immense pride and intellectual curiosity. The announcement of SHE, a highly advanced cryptographic concept, has elevated the conversation within the Shiba Inu community. Social media is buzzing with discussions about Zama, homomorphic encryption, and the potential for confidential smart contracts. This shift in focus from price speculation to technological innovation is a major win for the ecosystem's image. Developer hints, particularly from the lead team, emphasize that this upgrade is a core part of the long-term vision. The developers are signaling that they are not content with simply being a fast, low-cost chain. They are aiming for technological superiority. The commitment to a 26 timeline, while distant, provides a clear roadmap and a tangible goal for the community to rally around. This developer-led focus on advanced cryptography reinforces the narrative that Shiba Inu is a serious, forward-thinking project with a clear path to long-term viability. Short-term, 1 week, 1 month. The immediate forecast remains dominated by the broader market sentiment and technical patterns. The SHE news will act as a strong fundamental floor, preventing a major collapse, but it is unlikely to trigger an immediate price surge due to the distant timeline. Traders should watch for any further details on the SHE testnet, which could provide a short-term catalyst. The price is expected to consolidate around the 900 unit level, with the SHE news providing a psychological buffer against the extreme fear sentiment. Long-term, 3 months, 3 years. The long-term forecast is extremely bullish, contingent on the successful implementation of the SHE upgrade by Q2 26. The ability to offer full on-chain privacy will unlock a massive new market segment, potentially leading to a multi-year bull run. Analysts predict that the SHE upgrade could be the catalyst that finally allows Shiba Inu to delete another zero, pushing the price toward the 10,000 unit level and beyond. The long-term forecast is a clear bet on the success of this technological revolution. The SHE upgrade is a high-reward, medium-risk proposition. The primary risk is the long timeline. The 26 implementation date leaves a significant window for market volatility, technical delays, or the emergence of competing privacy solutions. SHE is a complex technology, and the successful integration into an EVM-compatible chain like Shibarium is a massive technical undertaking. Any delays could severely damage investor confidence. The balanced opinion is that the FHE announcement is a massive win for the Shiba Inu ecosystem's long-term viability. It transforms the token from a speculative asset into a serious contender in the enterprise and privacy sectors. Investors should view the current price as an accumulation zone, betting on the successful execution of the FHE roadmap. The risk is manageable, as the current price is already discounted due to the extreme fear sentiment. The FHE upgrade provides a clear, fundamental reason to hold Shiba Inu for the long term, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. So, there you have it. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is not just building, it is innovating at the highest level of cryptography. The FHE upgrade is a clear signal that the developers are focused on a long-term, utility-driven future. This privacy revolution could unlock massive enterprise adoption by 2026. Keep your eyes on the roadmap, watch the technology, and prepare for the next phase of Shiba Inu's evolution. We'll be here to break down every move. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it, and subscribe to the channel.